Hey guys, it's Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, and today we'll be talking about the Inforce WML White Gen 2. This LED weapon-mounted light is ultra-compact, durable, and offers 3 operating modes. Those modes are constant, momentary, and strobe. To use the constant function, you must ensure that the mode selection lever is pointing forwards before you click the on button on the upper rear. That mode looks like this. To use the momentary function, you must ensure that the mode selection lever is pointed backwards. It then looks like this, and it must be pushed down to be turned on for as long as you need it, and then when you release the button it will turn back off. So holding it down to turn it on and releasing to turn it off. And finally, to use the strobe function, ensure the mode selection lever is pointed forwards again, and then double click the on button to activate. It has an output of 400 lumens and provides up to 1.5 hours of high-efficiency LED runtime. This 3-ounce weapon light's concentrated, high-intensity beams fill your field of view for close to mid-range target identification. It's perfect for competitive shooters, nighttime hunters, and for those who may need a light during a dark mission, be it while clearing out a building or finding their way through unfamiliar places. The WML has a glass-reinforced polymer body that offers high impact resistance and durability. It has patented heat dissipating vents for improved LED thermal management. This ensures that you never have to worry about overheating. The all-inclusive rail clamping design integrates seamlessly with any Picatinny rail, providing simple, fast mounting with no need for additional tools. It takes all of a few seconds to loosen the bolt and release the light from your rail. And it takes the same amount of time to put it back on and tighten it back up. Some cool aspects of the light include the fact that it's waterproof to 66 feet, and you can also quarter turn the head to engage the lockout mode for travel, transport, and storage. So that way you don't have to worry that it will turn on inside a pack or in storage and waste the battery. I can now press the button and it doesn't turn on. So if it's pushing against something in your pack, you don't have to worry about it. You can reactivate it by tightening the head back up and it's working again. You can get it in black or in flat dark earth. It also has a CR123 battery included in the package, and the head of the light removes smoothly and easily for simple insertion. Another feature that the light has is a safety lockout lever that minimizes the potential for any accidental discharges. It's put up and down very simply with your thumb that you would use to activate the light anyways, so it's just a nice added benefit to the product as a whole. Easy to attach and so light you won't even feel it's there. Once you get this weapon mounted light, you'll be ready to head into battle at any moment. For more information on this item, its brand, and all of our other products and clearance items, please visit us at lockharttactical.com. If there's a video idea that you have that you want to see me do, please don't hesitate to send us a message or post it directly in our comment box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. This has been Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, over and out.